G'day, Matt Dawn from Lawnporn, Get Your Lawn On. And today I'm going to be renoing the school. Been hanging out for this day. Got the BA sprayer. So after I've done everything, I'll put down moist, so that's what I'll be using. Soil spreader and aerator, but I won't be using that to do the whole of this area. Couldn't get an aerator. So the Swardman will be part of my plan today. Using the Verticut, rotary, and there's the Swardman there. And here's my soil. So my plan is today just to do as much as I can. It's only me. It took me about half a day to get everything out here because half the stuff is the school's and half the stuff's mine. What I'll do today is I'm doing the area in between those cones. It's about 300 square meters of the area, thereabouts. The cones are on the sprinklers. What I'll do is I'll mow it down with the rotary first, then I'll get stuck into it with the Verticut, and then mow it again and again and again, I'm pretty well imagining, and get it right down. And then I'll be putting the topsoil on, putting the moist down, putting the 4 seasons down, and wetting it in.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me, looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me, in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, pack up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, pack up and get me. So put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time. Set up feet, do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time. So put your acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take.
Can you hear me puffing and panting? It's a big job. So I've gone over it twice with the rotary mower, starting on a 2, then down to a 1. Then I've Verticut it twice over with the Swardman. Pulled up a fair bit of stolons and crap. Sort of jammed up the, always was jamming up with all the stolons. It's very thick and it's a bit of a shame that I couldn't get an aerator, but now I'm going to put the soil down and level it out. It'll go on fairly thick, it'll come through, so I've got a few more hours work yet. Well, pretty beat up today. We're running out of light. This is as far as we got. Absolutely rooted. It's hard work. So tomorrow morning should be able to polish this off. As you can see, I'm just destroyed. I've been at it all day. All right, get your lawn on. Oh, you're all right. Oh, you don't want to be in the video?
Nah, it's all good.
Nah, it's all good. Well, Craig's come here to help, so that's good. My wife's here to help. We're all here to help me this morning. We're just doing the rest of that topsoil that I didn't get to.
I remember doing that much last time.
I'll start digging rather than filming. So, me and Craig, we've been shoveling and bringing the stuff. Cherie, she's raking. That's what she's done so far. That's what we did the day before, or sorry, 2 days before. I've been digging for 3 days. Monday was all the digging and doing this Reno, then did Stacey's Reno, Stacey and Kenny's place yesterday, and now we're here nice and early in the morning doing this. Craig doing a good job there. I am working, it's just that I'm using the camera, I can't do both. I'm actually doing work. Well, a lot of it. Bit of perspective and idea how big the job is. This area is just so rutted and all over the place. So this will really help level it out so much better. Yeah, so thanks for Craig coming out today. He just saw the posts on Lawnporn and offered to help, so it was really appreciated. 3 people job makes this job much quicker. So we've only been here about an hour this morning and we've achieved so much. Yeah, that's what the school project is about. It's about volunteering for your community. Soon we're going to have a bit of excess equipment to give away for some other schools. So if you want to start volunteering for your school, let us know, and we can help you out with some equipment and some fertilisers for your school. Alright, well, I've got to keep working, stop yabbering. We've got it done, we're doing really well. Beautiful. Wow, what a massive job.
It's actually really nice and good here.
Yeah.
Maybe that's to get your digging it done.
If you look out the back here, I'm doing all this. So all of this is going to be turf. So I'm doing the digging up of the trenches, putting in the irrigation, putting all that stuff down, and then we're going to be putting some turf down. It's going to be a big job there.